Hello everyone, this is me, Frostbird, and today I am here to show you guys something very good. So, as you may know about the art I've been making, right? Yeah, that I'm gonna put that on a level, a secret level I've been making, and I'm going to show it to you. What's new, what's the, I don't know. But, I took a little break, because I've been feeling demotivated. Uh, yeah, that's it. I didn't do any decorations or something. But this, oh no, fucking hell. That's not what I meant to press. I meant this one. Yes. Yeah, as you can see, I colored it. I put a little color on it. Yeah, that's it. Just gotta do a little more for the clothes or her tail or anything. But so far, I gotta fix the eyes. So far, it looks good. And I finished the whole body. Like, look at this. God damn! Excuse me. But, damn, this looks good. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want to say. That's what I want to show you guys on what's new. The art. But, hey, god damn. She looks good though. She looks good. Yeah. Uh, I think see you all in the next video or something. I'm gonna upload a new shirt tomorrow or another other day or something. See, my posts are getting inconsistent. Like, I feel demotivated. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 10k subscribers. Uh, you can also see me in the Philippine Geometry Dash Filipino community in Facebook. So yeah, subscribe and as always, stay frosty.